We were getting complaints about the microwaves every week. The smells, blown circuit breakers, all that mess. It was a nightmare. HOTLOGIC changed that overnight. One system, plug and play, nearly maintenance-free. No venting, no waiting, no take it out and stir. Just perfect heat and satisfied teams. Our folks haven't filed a single maintenance ticket since we switched. Now I can focus on the bigger things, and the break room basically takes care of itself. We did that trial deal, risk-free for 30 days. Worked out. Upgrade your facility. No hassles, just answers. Learn more today